ahead and get the NXTs ready, please.
10-4.
Okay, this is gonna be your ride for today. Welcome. What do you guys think about the colors?
I like
here. We have plenty of storage down here. I can do that right here. Your lifeline, Emily will yell at you over this. There you go. You guys ready? You guys gonna have a good time?
Yeah.
All right, guys, go ahead and push off the dock.
Have fun.
He's never stood up before.
All right, everyone, that's a wrap.